Welcome to UDP analysis. Today lesson I'm going to explain about ping and telnet diagnostic utility. So before I start, let me initiate packet capture. Let me open command prompt. Ping is a default utility. Not required additional installation. Let me ping one of the destination server in my network. I'm doing continuous ping to demonstrate continuous ping. So on screen you can see it is continuously pinging a Linux server. TTL value is 64. 64 is for Linux based server. This continuous ping always helpful when you check availability of the server. If the server is about to reboot, you can see there would be a gap in the ping response until server get booted. Okay, this is the main primary use case for ping. Let me do telnet on port 22. Telnet on TCP port 22. You can see I'm get connected. The operating system is FreeBSD operating system, OpenSSH 7.5. Let's start my capture and analyze. So basic Wireshark filter I use to filter based on the IP address. IP ADDR equal. So here you can see the first command I did ping, the continuous ping. You can see echo request and echo reply. So here the first two packets, if you take first two packets, it is one is ping request and ping reply. It's on the info column. If I scroll down further, we will see the telnet. So the telnet do three-way handshake. So here you can see on 22 port, my source machine is trying to communicate over TCP port 22, the SYN packet sent, then SYNAC received, then acknowledgement completed, then it connects on the protocol. This is encrypted packet. Hope this has been informative. Thank you for watching.